Yo, this pond sucks.
Dude, I just caught a fish here 10 minutes ago.
Oh, well, the sun came out, so it's a lot hotter.
It was hotter than it was when I caught it.
Well, I'm using the same, I'm using the sucky bait that I bought at, like, Walmart or something, so it really sucks.
Dude, I'm using the same bait.
Yo, that's a pretty good cast.
Yeah.
Dude, how did you, you literally just crossed the line. Oh, dude, that's a perfect cast. You literally.
I didn't, that was all you.
How do you cross the line when there's 10,000 feet right in front of you?
That was you. You casted it.
You're the one who casted it.
You casted it after me.
You
so,
casted it after me.
No.
Oh my god. You literally casted it after me.
No.
I
saw it.
You're the worst fisherman I know.
No.
Okay, I'm done with you, Gavin. I can't fish with you anymore. Oh.
Seriously, man.
You snagged the tree again.
I didn't mean to.
Now you broke the rod.
It's fine. I didn't fix it. Are you kidding me? Seriously, come on. Just got it unsnagged. There we go. Are you kidding? Fifth time, I'm done. I'm gone.
Yo, no, don't cast. I forgot my fishing pole, so back at home, so can I borrow yours?
Yeah, sure, you can have a few casts.
Okay, thanks.
There's a fish right there.
2 hours later.
Alright, can I have my full bag?
Can I have like one more cast with it?
Alright, fine, one more.
One more. You know, I really like this rod. Can I just keep it?
No, it cost $250.
Well, you see, I kind of like broke off your reel when you were gone.
Dude, seriously? That's $250.
Well, now I kind of have to keep it.
No, give it to me. No,
No.
Hey! Little freaking boy.
So, Gavin, I'm pretty calm. I'm gonna take off my shirt. Maybe I can get a tan.
Dude, put your shirt back on. No one wants to see your shove.
Did you just call me fat?
Dude, no, shut the fat. Dude, look at this lure I just found.
Wait, can I see it?
Yeah.
Good.
Pretty nice
I think
one.
that might be mine. Can I have it?
Yeah, sure, here. Oh. Dude, it's just a lure. What are you doing? Just a lure.
It's my favorite soft plastic.
You have another whole bag of them.
Yeah, but this one's special to me.
Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun to make. I know Gavin's not here to be with me in the closing, but if I can hit say 15 likes, there will be a part 2. Part 2. Leave your ideas down below so that it can be even better. Follow me on social media, Snapchat, Big Al, Big Fish, link or no link. And Instagram is Al_Kig. There's a link for that down below. And I'll see you next time. If you don't subscribe, this thing's gonna come at you.